Hi friends, this is Joseph Thambi. I welcome you all for this spoken English class today. In this video what I would like to explain to you is get plus V3. When we use get plus V3 in a sentence, what is the meaning that we are going to get? So let us see in the sentences. For example, I get my work completed. What does it mean? Someone is going to do my work. I do my work. So here I am going to do my work. So when I say I get the work completed, so here in this sentence someone is going to complete the work. So if you look at the past tense, I got the work completed. What does it mean? The meaning of this sentence is someone has completed the work on behalf of me. I got my house painted. What does it mean? Someone has painted my house. I painted my house is a different meaning than I got my house painted. So let us see another sentence. I got my bike repaired. So in this sentence, the meaning of this sentence is someone has repaired my bike for me. I got my garden watered. So what is the meaning of this sentence? Someone has watered the garden for me. I got the picture painted. The meaning of this sentence is someone has painted the picture. So what I would like to explain to you in this video is when someone has done some work to us, we can use get or got in the past tense to express some of the use as I have explained in this video. If you like this video, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.